Very good morning, everybody. And the world market was a little negative in the morning. Singapore Nifty about 73 points down, but on Friday it went down 150 points, but due to sustained buying, it almost finished positive. So we will see when the market open how it goes. And the FIIs have again started becoming net sellers. So they are selling. So the market is being sustained only by the domestic players. FIIs for 3 continuous days are selling heavy quantities, 1,500 crores, 1,300 crores. Just one day they bought, but all other days they are selling. DIE is also not buying very much. Now, this was interesting. 1,598 crores was sold by FIIs. DIAs bought only 371 crores, and the rest of the market was sustained by the retail. And retail is getting a lot of hold into this market. And as long as the money gets pumped in, the market will remain up, the market will remain stable, even though the market is expensive with a Warren Buffett indicator of about 107, 108, and P going above 25 now. Very good morning, everybody here. So I was checking crude oil in the morning. So I'll come to the Nifty, but we saw crude oil also rallied along with the market, and it is coming on a double top here. And if crude goes down, that is normally positive for the Nifty. But for the moment, looks like there is a nice selling opportunity coming in crude oil. Then gold is having a continuous selling pressure. Gold is not moving up. And last candle here also was a gravestone doji. So gold also both the bearish tone in crude oil and gold. If I go to the Nifty here, Nifty also, if you see here, still there is this much upside left into the Nifty if it has to go to the all-time highs. So, just go with the flow. Even though this rally is, not supported by fundamental, it is a pure volume-driven rally that we are seeing here on this one. It's pure volume-driven rally that we can see here. Okay, going to various sectors. This is media. Media has been a little weak sector. Pharma, auto. Auto has been a strong sector. Realty is up. PSU bank, services. And let's look at IT as a sector. And you see, IT has been a very strong sector. It has not corrected at all. And it is moving on the upside. This is a sector that is ripe for a correction. This sector is more ripe for a correction now. So keep an eye on the IT sector. MNCs, Nifty, consumption, metals, a sector that has taken a breakout here. Infra, another sector that has gone very strong from here to here. There are two kind of players mainly that come into the market. One are trend followers. You will practice these, You're either a trend follower. A trend follower is not so much concerned about fundamentals. He tries to follow the market by using trend following methods, super trends, moving averages, various expresses. So he's a trend follower. The second kind of a trader is called a guy who's looking for a trend turner, trend reversal. Trend reversal. Is a trend. What kind of a trader are you guys? Are you a trend follower or do you follow more of trend reversals? What is your style of trading? I see good number of people come in the morning now. So Koduri is a trend follower. Mahesh says I'm neutral. I can get both. Okay, so ideally both should be. You should be master of both. A combination of trend followers also and a trend. You know. So here in this, then FMCG. FMCG has been a weak sector. It has started showing weaknesses, and this was a sector which was pretty expensive. And banks are weak, guys. So I think your trade today might be in the banks. Let's go to the banks and see which bank can we look for. Mahesh says I'm a trend follower in cash and non-directional in options. Yeah, that's fair. AU Bank, Axis Bank, Bandhan Bank, Federal Bank, HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank came with good results, guys. Results of HDFC Bank were good. So you might have a buying opportunity in HDFC Bank. A buying opportunity in HDFC Bank. Nifty might still be a long trade. Still be a long trade after it opens down. But we will see. Yeah, this can be a trade. To look for IDFC short. This can be a good trade to look for in the start. So trade of the day. Trade of the day. IDFC short. Trade of the day is IDFC short. Not 1DFC, it is IDFC. This can be a trade for the day, guys. IDFC short. It was trying to break the flag down and trying to reverse. And if it breaks down, I think 45 can be a good target for this one. Okay, guy, give me your stocks that you want me to see for you. Every morning I also have a look at your stocks. Okay. Wipro, Metro, CMS Info. Okay. Biocom. Okay, let me start with this Wipro. And you see, Wipro is moving down. There is a clear selling that has come in Wipro. And out of the IT pack, this is one of the weakest companies. It's breaking the trend line now. So Wipro, the way the trend is going, I think this can be a good target for Wipro. Maybe around here, 525. That can be a target for Wipro. And it has fallen down from here. Then Metro brand, the shoe company, and this has moved up nicely and trying to have a breakout, but not yet succeeded. Follow the trend on this, guys. After this rise, there might be a day of profit booking on this, so I'll keep an eye on this. And if you get a entry in the short, you can go for it. And Paytm, I hope none of you shorted Paytm on Friday. Did anybody short Paytm on Friday? मैंने खास बना किया था फ्राइडे को शॉर्ट नहीं करना है. So good. So Paytm went up 8%. And this pattern that is formed in Paytm is a bullish engulf. It's a bullish engulf. So Paytm we will see once it opens up. So nothing can be said on Paytm right now. Once it opens up. Happiest Minds, another IPO that went up and now is consolidating back, and with market again reaching all-time high, and a continuous selling by the FIIs. So both buying and shorting opportunities will be there. Then CMS Info, Pradeep wants to know. CMS Info. See, this one is moving up nicely. There is money flowing behind it and is breaking on the upside. The structure clearly shows a long. Clearly shows that there is a long into this one. Biocon. Yeah, Biocon is, there'll be a lot of selling opportunities coming now, guys, with this big rise that has happened and a continuous selling that is happening by the FIIs, and the DIIs are also not buying now. So time for a profit booking is ripe after a almost 1,500 point rally. NMDC. NMDC is moving up towards filling this gap here. And we see gap filling is an important activity, so you can easily go till 149. So up on this one. Federal Bank, Sheetal wants to know. Federal Bank. After a big rally in Federal Bank, we see there is a pause coming. There was a pause on Friday also. And it is coming in this consolidation zone. The upside can be till 102, but more or less the uptrend is now finishing here. Motherson Sumi. What happened to Motherson Sumi? Something happened there. Was there a bad result in Motherson Sumi? The way it has fallen down? Okay, demerger, fine. Because either a split or a demerger or a bad result that takes it down. Yeah, it's a demerger, so let it consolidate and then let the craft become okay on this. I think on Nifty, Bank Nifty is, keep an eye on Bank Nifty. It is supporting the index a lot. And in Nifty, go with the flow. I think today you can use the Yogi Express on a 5-minute chart. That would be a method to use on this. And don't be in a hurry to go long or short in Nifty. I think it's much better you go with the flow and use a hedge. So that's from my side today, guys. Let's see the market where it goes. Crude all-time high. And this is the link I'll share with you. Let's keep an eye on the P ratio. P of Nifty. Let's check out Nifty P ratio. And 25.3 is the P of Nifty, and I think 16, 17 is the level that we are looking at, guys. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.